Are you feeling overwhelmed by marketing tasks that eat up your time and budget? Let me introduce you to a game changer, MarketingBlocks. It's like having a human-like marketing assistant at your fingertips, powered by the latest AI technology. With just a keyword, you can generate all your marketing assets for any niche in any language within minutes. Imagine landing pages and websites already loaded with content, or 3 months' worth of social media posts scheduled and ready to go. MarketingBlocks even handles auto-comment replies and DMs to keep your audience engaged and drive leads. Need lead magnets? From ebooks to checklists, you're covered. Want promo videos or stunning graphics like logos and banners? Done and done. Crafting emails for outreach or sales? Honestly, it's like having a whole marketing team in your pocket. And it doesn't stop there. MarketingBlocks can run ads, create marketing copy, and even handle business content like strategies and pitches. Plus, with AI employees, tasks like customer support, appointment booking, and content generation are automated at scale. Whether you're building courses, managing memberships, or setting up surveys, MarketingBlocks helps streamline everything. All without tech skills, expensive agencies, or time-consuming freelancers. Ready to revolutionize your marketing? Hit the link below to start your free trial and see how MarketingBlocks can transform your business. Let's make marketing easy and profitable.